Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of a quiet dose calming tonic that is created by Ritual Labs. So this product is marketed as a dietary supplement that will help you out to calm your nerves, to brighten your moods, and even it tastes amazing. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually all those behind bold claims. As you can see, we're overwhelmed to zen in one sip. It is advertised as a magical formula to make you a great mood person. So once I tried searching for the reviews of this product on the other platforms like Trustpilot, I get to know it has a very worst rating of 1.7 out of 5 stars, and which is based on 82 reviews. So it means like a lot of people have reviewed this product and they have found it as a scam, and it has nothing to do with the actual health formulas. So I tried searching for the reviews and the malware tips as well, and I got to know it has emerged across social media platform. I got a lot of people are talking about it, and it promises as a natural supplement, but the thing is it is actually a scam and you should avoid purchasing these items according to malware tips as well. So based on the reviews and all this, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing any other item from this website as well, because this website collectively is regarded as one of the most scammer website. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.